Lezinhlangano zomphakathi okukhona kuzo neDefend South Africa zithi kuningi umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa akufihlile futhi akangenanga ngendlela efanele esikhundleni sokuhola lelizwe.
He came into power through a back door, which he used through the CR17 sealed bank statements. And currently, they're still sealed. What is it that you're hiding? What is it that you're not telling us?
Kusenjalo, umvikeli womphakathi uAdvocate Kholeka Gcaleka udalule ukuthi umengameli wakulelizwe akenzanga okuphambene nomthetho ngesikhathi eqhuba umkhankaso weANC iLitsima eFree State ngonyaka ka2022. Kulowo mkhankaso umengameli wanikezela ngendlu yeRDP nokwabuye kwavela ukuthi akusiyo eRDP kodwa yayakhiwe ngemali kahulumeni wesifundazwe. Lesimangalo sasifakwe yiDA neyayimangalela umengameli ngokusebenzisa izinsiza zombuso ukuqhuba imisebenzi yeANC.
The investigation established that Mr. Ramaphosa was invited by Ms. Ntombela only on the launch of the Litsima campaign that morning to hand over the keys of a house to Ms. Ntsaku. He was neither aware that the handing over of a house would take place during the Litsima campaign, nor did he have knowledge that the house was paid for by the Free State provincial government.
Umvikeli womphakathi useyalele umphathiso wezokubusa ngokubambisana kanye nomphathiso wokuhlaliswa kwabantu eFree State ukuba belungise okuphambene ngokunikezelwa kwalendlu zingakapheli izinsuku eziyi120.